Here are all of the newest working codes in 99 Nights in the Forest for November 2025. Every single code I'm about to show you is active, working right now, and ready to redeem. These codes will give you free gems, new classes, and a bunch of extra rewards that you should claim as soon as possible. And yes, I'm also hosting a massive giveaway for everyone watching. A few lucky viewers will receive gems, rare classes, game passes, and other special bonuses. To enter the giveaway, like the video, subscribe with notifications turned on, watch the video all the way through without skipping, and finally, comment your Roblox username so I can find your entry. Everyone who likes the video will receive 700 gems, and anyone who watches until the very end will receive 1000 gems. So don't skip, stay with me until the final second. Thanksgiving is this week, and that means we have brand new Thanksgiving codes. Some of these codes only appear on screen for a moment, so if you skip ahead, you might miss a limited code, or one of the bonus rewards hidden later in the video. There is also a special surprise near the end, so make sure you watch carefully. How to redeem the codes. First, tap the gems icon in the bottom left corner. Then tap the codes button in the bottom right. A text box will appear. Type each code exactly as shown on the screen. Be careful, one wrong letter and the code won't work. Before redeeming, make sure you have liked the game on Roblox and joined the official developer group. If possible, play inside a private server to make sure you're using the latest version of the game. Keep watching because I'll also be giving out more gems, classes, candy, and game passes to viewers who stay until the end and leave their usernames. There are several hidden rewards scattered throughout the video, so don't miss them. Now it's time. Let's go through all of the newest working codes for November 2025. If any code shows invalid or expired, don't worry, just move to the next one. Redeem as many as possible before they run out.